We live in a hybrid world, combining in-person and virtual work. This new reality provides modified ways to train teams and develop employees. Zoom workshops, online seminars, and virtual keynotes can be extremely effective when done well. A recognized expert in communication, Mike Acker created his virtual studio to conduct training, seminars, and keynotes to audiences across the country and globe. With virtual engagements to Adobe, Restaurant 365, Dallas International School, Aver, Alta Trust, University of Massachusetts, and many more, audiences have loved learning with the luxury of being at their personal workstations at homes, offices, and co-working spaces from the United States to Mexico to Europe and even India. As a certified virtual presenter, TEDx speaker on the topic of web conferencing, and the author of Speak and Meet Virtually, Mike Acker brings excellence to virtual training environments. Invite Mike Acker to engage your team virtually or on-site to train your team on effective communication, leadership performance, or emotional intelligence.